Math puzzle. What is the value of xx? We are told x equals 3 cubed, and we are asked to find xx equals. Let's understand what this means like a story. Imagine the number 3 is like a tiny builder. Now imagine that builder stacks 3 blocks on top of each other. That looks like this. 3 cubed equals 3 times 3 times 3. This special way of writing numbers is called an exponent. We say 3 to the power of 3. It's just a cool way of saying start with 3 and multiply it by itself 3 times. Now here's the fun part. Once we know what x is, which is that 3 times 3 times 3 number, we have to raise it to its own power. That means xx equals take that number and multiply it by itself many times, exactly that same number of times. It's like a number growing super big by stacking up its own copies again and again. So the question is asking, if you already stacked 3 blocks to get x, and now you stack that tower x more times on top of itself, how tall would your tower be? Okay, let's go solve the problem. Step 1. Understanding what x is? We are given x equals 3 cubed. This means x equals 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Step 2. Finding xx. We need to calculate xx equals 3 cubed, 27. Step 3. Using the power rule. There is a special rule in math for exponents, n equals m times n. In our case, 3 cubed, 27, equals 3 times 27. Now multiply. 3 times 27 equals 81. So, xx equals 3, 81. Step 4. Matching with the answer choices. Looking at the options. A3, 27 cross mark. Too small. B3 to the power of 0 cross mark. Way too small. C3 to the power of 6 cross mark. Also too small. D3, 81 check mark. Correct. Please make sure that you subscribe here, because subscribing to my channel will boost your math skills by 73%. Just saying.